I bought the famous Canon G7X Mark II in 2026, and the reason is simple. Everyone still talks about this camera. Before the Sony ZV cameras, before the Canon R50 V, before DJI Pocket cameras became popular, this small Canon camera was one of the most famous vlogging cameras on YouTube. But today, there is another reason why people still want this camera, not only for vlogging, but for the built-in flash aesthetic. The compact camera look, the night out photo vibe, the travel memory feeling, but here's the interesting part. It also have another old Canon compact camera, the Canon G1X Mark II. One is famous, one is forgotten, but both have built-in flash, both have Canon colors, and both can create that old compact camera aesthetic. So today, I want to find out, is the Canon G7X Mark II really worth in hype in 2026, or still the forgotten Canon G1X Mark II actually the hidden gem? First, let's talk about the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. And yes, this crazy part is, this one still came with the original box. For me, that already makes the story better because usually when you buy old compact cameras, you only get the camera body, no box, no charger, sometimes no extra battery, and sometimes you don't even know if everything is working properly. But this one came with the original box and extra batteries and a dual charger. So this does not feel like just a normal old camera find. This feels like a real old vlogging kit. And look at this. It came with two Wasabi powered NB13L batteries and a dual charger. For a small compact camera like this, extra batteries are very important because if you use this for travel, vlogging, street videos, daily content, or flash photos at night, one battery is usually not enough. So already this G7X Mark II setup feels ready for content creation. So why is everyone still talking about the Canon G7X Mark II? The first reason is vlogging. It is small, it has a flip screen, it has Canon colors, and it has bright lens. And it's very easy to use. You don't need to change lenses, you don't need a big setup, and you don't need a gimbal. Just a flip screen, press record, and start talking. That is why the camera became so popular with vloggers and made vlogging simple. But today, people like this camera for another reason. The aesthetic photos, the built-in flash look, the compact camera vibe. When you take photos with a flash, especially at night, with friends, travel, food, street, or simple every moment, it gives a different feeling. It does not look too perfect, it does not look too clean. It feels real, it feels nostalgic, it feels like memories. And that is why compact camera like G7X Mark II are becoming interesting again. Sometimes people don't want the most modern look. Sometimes they want photos with a character.
The ground beneath my
But now, let me bring in the forgotten one. This is the Canon PowerShot G1X Mark II. And this camera is very interesting because it is not famous as the G7X Mark II. It is a bigger, it is heavier, it is not pocketable. And people don't talk about it much for vlogging. But here's the thing, the G1X Mark II also has a built-in flash. It has a Canon colors and it has bigger sensor than the G7X Mark II. So if people love the G7X Mark II because of the flash aesthetic and compact camera look, the G1X Mark II can also do that, maybe even with more premium photos feeling.
seeing smoke.
So now, the comparison becomes more interesting. The Canon G7X Mark II is the famous one. Small body, flip screen, easy vlogging, built-in flash, aesthetic compact camera look. The Canon G1X Mark II is the forgotten one. Bigger body, more premium feeling, bigger sensor, built-in flash, and the old Canon compact camera characters. So the real question is, which one still makes more sense in 2026? The famous vlogging cameras everyone talks about, or the forgotten premium compact camera that can also give you the flash aesthetic?
Flowers in her hair, it was rain and thunder, but goddamn, I wonder if she was even there.
But let's be honest, both of these cameras are old now. They don't have modern autofocus like today's mirrorless cameras. They don't have the newest video features. The G7X Mark II does not have 4K. The G1X Mark II also feels old school compared to the modern cameras. So if you compare them to the Canon R50 V, Sony ZV-E10 or DJI Osmo Pocket 3, of course the newer cameras are more advanced. But this is not the reason I bought these cameras. I bought them because I want to know if they still have the Canon magic. That simple compact camera feeling, that built-in flash aesthetic, and the feeling makes you want to shoot even in the camera is not a new anymore. Now let's test the built-in flash. And this is the G7X Mark II becomes more interesting today. With flash, the photos have the compact camera aesthetic. It looks fun, it looks casual, it looks like a real memories. For night shot, food shot, travel photos, or simple photos for with friends. I understand why people still want this look. It's not about being the sharpness or the most professional. It's about the feeling.
I will go. Get it. Get it. Get it. Right about now, I'ma turn it up. Yeah, the baseline pump, yeah, turn me up. Yeah, we got the juice, yeah, we got it covered. Built like me, there ain't no other. Wow, yeah, I bit that. Yeah, do it like me, yeah, I get that. Bow down, yeah, step back. Ay, coming in hot, yeah, been there. I got a drip out of Lita, nice to meet ya. Alpha baby, I'm a leader. Good anywhere, just like a visa. I'm the whole damn package, got the features. If you wanna drive the boat, I can teach ya. Stay weight, that's all I mean, ya. All I know is get a cream on a daily. Me and my team, we be going crazy. Like, wow, ay, ay, yeah. So next level, so you gotta bow down. Ay, ay, yeah, yeah, I'm coming in hot, so you better watch out. Ay, ay, yeah, price ran up, now it's double the amount. Ay, ay, yeah.
Now let's switch to the Canon G1X Mark II. And this one feels different. It's a bigger, it feels more solid, it feels more serious compact cameras. When I hold it, I don't really think for vlogging first. I think for travel photography, street photos, portraits, details, and everyday moments. Because of bigger sensor, this camera has a different character. The G7X Mark II feels like a creator camera. The G1X Mark II feels photographer's compact camera. But here's the surprise. The G1X Mark II can also do flash aesthetic. It also has a built-in flash. It also Canon colors, and because it has a bigger sensor, the photos can feel more premium. So if you only want the compact camera flash look, you don't always need to follow the hype. The G1X Mark II can also give that vibe. And that makes this forgotten Canon more interesting. So here is what I noticed. If I want to vlog, I will pick the G7X Mark II. It is smaller, lighter, easy to hold, and more comfortable for taking videos. That is why it became famous. But if I want to take photos, travel shots, street photos, and flash aesthetic images, the G1X Mark II is not a weak at all. Actually, it surprised me. It may not as popular, but it's a character, so this comparison is not just famous versus forgotten. It's also hype versus hidden value. And before we end this video guys, I want to share something special. As someone who loves cameras, photography, and filmmaking, I'm starting a new journey in one of the most beautiful islands in the Philippines. Introducing Sikihor Camera House, a camera rental service made for travelers, vloggers, and creators visiting Sikihor. Soon you can rent cameras, lenses, and creator tools, from simple travel cameras, vlogging setup, up to cinematic creator packages. So even if you travel without bringing your own gear, you can still capture amazing memories, because when you visit a beautiful place like Sikihor, don't just explore the island. Capture your story. Our rental service is coming soon, so please support us by liking and following our official Facebook page, Sikihor Camera House. Be part of our journey from the beginning. Rent, shoot, and explore. I don't buy cameras only because they are new. I buy cameras because they have a story. I buy cameras because they make me curious. And these two old Canon cameras have two different stories. One became a legend and one became forgotten. But both still made me excited to shoot. So, which one would I choose? For vlogging, I choose the Canon G7X Mark II. Now I understand why everyone still talk about this camera. It is small, simple, easy to use, and perfect for quick content creation. And yes, the built-in flash aesthetic is also a big reason why people still like it today. But for photography, travel shots, premium compact camera feeling, and flash aesthetic photos, the Canon G1X Mark II deserves more respect. It may be forgotten, but it surprised me. So in 2026, the Canon G7X Mark II is still better vlogging camera. But the G1X Mark II is the hidden gem that makes this comparison more interesting. So guys, this is the Canon G7X Mark II in 2026, compared with the forgotten Canon G1X Mark II. One is famous, one is forgotten, but both cameras still have something special. If you're into honest camera reviews, ukay-ukay camera finds, and real-world gear tests, make sure to subscribe because I upload new photography and filmmaking content every week. This is Rapi Sam Still, and remember, sometimes the camera everyone talks about is the famous for the reason, but sometimes the forgotten camera is the one that surprises you. See you on the next one.